check one more time here. This one's can we turn the head to this side? I'm just gonna stretch and check this one and then turn it the other way. Looking down again.
I think I took it inside. Pro Hill, 112 Road. No, 1,200 and something.
Have you been doing some new exercise? Swimming or something?
No, not really. Pretty sedentary.
So I don't think I've seen this one spasm like that on you before. I'm gonna go back to this one here. Still feeling on one side and the other. 3, 4, 5. Just take our time for this one here. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. Makes more sense. And breathe in and out. Oh, there it is. So it actually was a joint there, that's why.
Hmm?
When you work on the muscle, you don't want to soften it.
That's quite a sore spot.
This one, this one's just a muscle, so it'll soften up quite well. You feel this as well? It's okay. New physical activity?
Not a lot. Nothing's changed. Still walking.
Still walking?
Sometimes if I sometimes do some push-ups, but not much.
Push-ups?
I'm trying to exercise a bit more, but I'm really lazy.
Into
quite sore on the left shoulder.
Yeah, yeah. When I'm doing this?
Yeah.
Yeah. 6 there. Yeah, I can feel it from here too. Let's do more assessments first. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Should be clear one side. It might still be a bit sore on the other side when I'm pushing here. Just let me know if it's hurting you. You okay like this?
Mhm.
Can you open the mouth? That close. One more time. Might be quite sore this one, okay? You tell me, you do a thumbs down if it's too much, okay?
Mhm.
Yeah. Good, a little bit more. Can really feel that a little bit more. Open again. Close. Good. This right knee also locking up. Even these muscles as well. It's a lot tougher than the last
My knee on the left is quite sore, and I feel like my weight distribution's been different.
time. You putting weight more on one side?
Probably more on the right.